If you're looking for a quick and easy, healthy recipe, this is it. You can have these for lunch or dinner. Let's get to work. I've got some romaine lettuce. I'm slicing tomatoes. Here I have red onions, and oops, they're spoiled in the middle. It's too bad, we've got to toss it out, but I would also have added in red onions. I've got 1 can of tuna that's going in here. I'm going to season it up with some salt and pepper, some fresh oregano. I've got smoked paprika and some red chili powder. I'm using some blue cheese dressing light just to bind it. I'm adding in a bit of lemon juice, chopped cilantro, giving it a really good mix, and I never forget my mustard seed. One final mix just to make sure all of my ingredients are nicely blended together, and then we'll go ahead and move on to construction time. The lettuce is all prepped up over here. I'll start out by adding in some pickles onto a couple of these great lettuce wraps. Sliced tomatoes on all of them. You can make these any way you'd like. You can even use a burrito or a taco if you'd like to with this type of filling. Next up, I'm going to scoop in my tuna, and you'll also notice a couple of these are getting a few scoops of my homemade guacamole. The recipe for that is also on my channel. And one more recipe you'll notice here I'm adding in is my homemade bok choy salad. The recipe there is also on my channel. Please also remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Boom! These look too good to eat. My tuna boat. Check that guy out. You gotta try this one. Boom! These are incredible. Now that's a tuna boat.